Ohio until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kinsman to near North Bloomfield to South Russell, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gust and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Warren, Niles, Hubbard, Cortland, Newton Falls, South Russell, Lordstown, Middlefield, Garrettsville, Kingsman, North Bloomfield, Britain, Manaway, West Farmington, Chesterland, Vienna Center, Hilltop, Bristolville, Leavittsburg, and Maplewood Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Geauga, Portage, and Trumbull.
Imagine doubleheader again.
The urgent weather.
Oh,